Architect Ledger TV. AI-generated lawsuits clogging courts. The judicial system is facing an infrastructure crisis. Nobody predicted. AI is flooding court dockets with lawsuits. Thousands of them. Some are legitimate. Most aren't. The bottleneck is real. And it's breaking the system from the inside. Here is how it breaks down. The problem started simple enough. AI tools got cheap. Getting cheaper every month. A solo practitioner with $100 and ChatGPT can now generate a lawsuit in minutes. Upload facts. Hit generate. File it. Courts are designed for human-paced litigation. They're not designed for machine-speed filings. In plain English, the pipeline was never meant to handle this volume. Federal courts are now drowning in frivolous cases, fake citations, and legal arguments that sound plausible until a human judge reads them. That detail matters because every bogus filing takes resources away from actual claims paralegals. Spend hours vetting AI-generated content. Judges waste calendar days dismissing cases built on hallucinations. The economic math is brutal. One attorney can now generate 50 lawsuits before lunch. This shift at the institutional layer directly impacts how courts are forced to respond. And that brings us to the second structural problem. Verification collapse. Judges have to assume everything could be AI-generated now. Every citation needs checking. Every argument needs sourcing. Some AI-generated briefs cite cases that don't exist convincingly. With fake docket numbers, fake quotes, fake holdings. The court's trust layer is gone. In plain English, you can't speed read anymore. You can't trust the structure of a filing just because it looks professional. That brings us to the resource hemorrhage. Courts are already understaffed, already underfunded. Now they're hiring staff just to filter out AI noise. Hiring document reviewers to catch hallucinations before they hit the judge's desk. The cost per legitimate case just went up 40% in some districts. But here is the catch. The system is starting to push back with machine against machine solutions. Some courts are deploying AI detection tools. Others are implementing stricter filing verification protocols. Bar associations are warning attorneys that filing AI-generated garbage is malpractice. Possibly fraud. Yet the incentive structure is still broken. It's cheaper to file 50 AI lawsuits than one real one. The point is crystal clear. You can't regulate away the problem if the underlying economics reward it. Some jurisdictions are now requiring certification that filings were reviewed by qualified humans. Others are imposing sanctions on attorneys who file provably AI-generated garbage. But enforcement is slow. The bar moves slower than the technology. This is an architectural design failure at the institutional level. The courts built their system assuming human gatekeeping, assuming scarcity of filing capability. Both assumptions are dead. The real threat isn't that courts will collapse. They won't. The threat is that legitimate claimants with real grievances will be deprioritized while staff burns cycles on garbage. Justice becomes a function of noise tolerance. Subscribe if you want to know how institutions adapt when the infrastructure bottleneck is software, not steel. Here's the question. If AI can generate legal briefs faster than courts can evaluate them, what does access to justice even mean anymore?